What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to go over AI mode now integrated into your Google search. As you can see on screen, I have Google up, nothing special. So as you can see, they have an AI mode now button over there. And I'm just going to do a simple search for what is the best pest company near me. I'm just going to hit, enter. So as you can see, we have the sponsor listings up here. These are people paying for these locations up here. Then we have a Yelp listing, and then we have businesses. So as you can see, I have some other tools installed here. But as you can see, it's all map listings, guys. It's the three best right here based on some ranking. You have one that has 2,000, you have one that's 365, one that's 237. So depending on how they optimize their profile, this is what's showing up. So in terms of AI, as you can see, it's Yelp, Angie's List, Reddit. This is an actual listing right there based on SEO, Orkin as well. Terminix, Pest Friendly, and Cura, which is another question platform. So do you see how important this is to optimize your Google My Business listing? To have reviews, to have good reviews, to have imagery, to have the right information up in that. So now obviously with AI mode, it's going to look at the maps, it's going to look at shopping, it's going to look at reviews based on where I'm, my location, and it's going to come back with these 5 companies, all with a map in AI mode. And then it has 5 sites over here where you can kind of see. But this is the future of search. They're going to basically ask what is the best pest company near me, and if you're not part of this 5 pack here or in the map pack here, you will be lost on the page. So traditional SEO, sure, you can still do it. It's still an investment for a long-term in long-term keywords, but taking care of your Google My Business profile is optimal. So as you can see, imagery, good reviews. They're still posting. Make sure you're posting and having all this stuff updated as well. Right category, make sure it's optimized and everything there. So wanted to jump on and do this quick video. That way you can learn how search is trending, how map pack Google My Business is so important with AI search coming out. So from one other perspective is, like, let's say that how to, kill bugs. It'll basically say here, how to effectively kill bugs in an AI search lab overview. And basically give you a curated answer based on knowledge on the internet. As you can see, these are all links to the sources that they get this from. But again, this is the future of search right here, where this is pushing everything down beyond the fold, and people are just going to go with what they say here because they curate this information. You can see here, there's a link here, and it's based off of a YouTube video that's indexing for these search terms. So I'm Jesse. I own JOG Marketing Solutions. I help optimize Google My Business listings. So if you need help with that, let's set up an audit and we can get to work right away. All right. Thanks for watching.